pa kami. There's some more kasi ang Tagalog There's more kasi napapanood na ng Day 1 and Day 2 audience yung teaser na They have watched it. The Day 1 and Day 2 people. Yeah, the teaser of Cherry on Top Music. Teaser!
Oh yeah!